remember that in the last video that we already get all the tokens, but we never do the 10 tokens yet. So let's go and try it.
I'm begging you.
What is up, Vacation Fans? It's your boy Natsert, and we're back with Subway Surfers Mexico Part 2. Yeah, this is part 2 of this map. So let's go and play. Do that. Okay. Only one. Okay, thank you. Oh yes, the first token. Okay. Oh, V. Viking. Okay. Alright. You already said that. Okay, so basically I know that Halloween is gonna come soon, so it's true. So what is the problem about that? Oh, I know you already said that. Alright, let's be concentrate and let's be closer against the trains. Okay, K. Alright. Okay, we're doing good. Up. There's a token there. But I can't get it because the train is getting closer. Stars. Oh, I. Okay. Hoverboard. Okay. Adam's Family. Oh, and. Oh, yes. Yay! I get it now. Oh, G. The last letter. Okay, got it.
Oh, G right there.
Word hunt complete. Okay. Oh, yes, mystery box. Okay, so we're still doing everything and we are still getting this. And I'm getting the star and I got it. And I got the shoes. Yes. Okay. Oh, we're back at this again. Up. Okay. What the? I just did crouch and jump, but I failed the jump. Alright, so we have more things to do. Oh, yes. No, the shoe is now over. Okay. Oh, there's a starter, but there's already another one. Oh, jetpack. Okay. Alright. So basically, we're still doing everything. Oh, the shoes. Whoa! I'm so close to jump on there. So I'm good about that. Okay. Up. Yes, I got it. Okay. So I don't think we still can make it in first try. And there's a jetpack there. So the jetpack always there in like 3 minutes, I think. Okay, alright. Oh, there's a... I didn't need to go in the jumper. Because I wasn't sure if there's the token there. Oh, that's the shoes. No, not again. The jumper again. Okay. Whoop! Dang. I thought I'm gonna die. I just got hurt. Okay. Alright. Yes. Oh, that's the jetpack. Okay. Alright. Oh, yes. Whoa. We are going to the rocket ship. Well, not anymore. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay. So, we're still doing good and we need 3 tokens left. And I got some more coin meter. So, I'm good about that. And from the token, I'm not good at that anymore. But it's okay, we still need to find it. Oh yes! Yay! Alright, we're doing good. We're doing good. Whoa, so close. Oh. Alright. Okay. Oh yes. Yeah, baby, let's go. Alright. Okay, we're still doing everything. So I think we're doing good. Magnet, okay. I should do the hoverboard. Oh, I didn't notice. I'm so doofus, not because of the Addams family. Curse you, Charlize Theron, and go with Grace Moritz. Because you don't even care everything, Charlize.
I don't care!
Oh, yes. Okay. Okay. So, we're still doing everything. So, we're good about that. Okay. Alright. Oh! I was trying to get all the coins, but nope, failed. Alright. Okay. We're still doing good at that. Oh, the magnet is right there. So I'm doofus. You know what I should do? Okay. Alright. Oh, the boombox. Hey, I got a lot of coins. Alright. Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh yes, it's right there. Okay. Alright, stars. Whoa, so close. I don't think that I can make it, but I think I can make it. Probably. Okay. Oh yes, the more token. Okay, so close to jump. And I'm watching minions. Alright. We still can focus here, so what's the problem about that?
Nothing.
Alright. Okay, yes. Hoverboard. Okay, we're doing good. We're still doing good. And there's the third token, so we're good. We're really good. We're really good. Oh, yes. Okay. Alright. Yes! Up, I missed it. Because of this Addams family. Curse you, Snoop Dogg is in that movie too, you know? Okay. Up! Come on, officer!
Is there a problem?
Okay, let's be concentrate so we can get the token. All I'm gonna do is choose. Oh yes! Okay. Jump. Jump second times. Hoverboard. And yes. Okay. Alright. Up. I wasn't waiting for the train to rush over 63 miles. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's more. No. The token is in the train that it's not crushed. You know what? We need something how to destroy the train. We need to smash it from the track. So the officer can get me and so the people will die forever.
Is he talking about Bruce Willis movie?
No, I think he's talking about Nicolas Cage movie.
Whoa. Okay. Jump. Okay. Up. Yes. That's what you get, you chicharrones. Oh. I thought that's the token, but it's a magnet. Oh yes, there is. And I missed it again. Because of the jumping thing. Why you added it? Come on, bro. Give me more chance, okay? Relax and chill. Ah, this again. Curse you, Beth Midler. Oh, I didn't notice the token. I'm really Rufus and Doofus. Okay, Sugar, we're going down.
Sugar, we're going down swinging.
Ah, this again. Ah, I still can't.
Relax!
Oh, that's a star. You just can't ignore everything. You know, I should have been doing everything, and we are too long because I know Halloween is still not starting, so I don't have enough choice, and I don't have enough chance to, and that's what I'm trying to say. And I can do everything, and I can do anything from 3 days grace, and I can do everything from myself, just because all the bands here are always like that, and from Rage Against the Machine is always worse.
Especially you, huh?
Everything that I always try to do is do everything and not doing from Adele because she's 33 and I got the token. But she said that her upcoming album is 30. And how is she 30? She was 33 years ago. And I got the mystery box, so what do I do about that?
Nothing!
Oh yes. Okay. Alright. Okay, so I still can see every token. I can't see every tokens. Oh, I got a key. Master of keys complete. Okay. Oh yes. Let's try. Yo, I get it. And there's a cop chasing me because the train is so tough. Okay, now we need to find 2 tokens. That's a magnet. Hover. Oh. I have no hoverboard. Okay, add more. Okay. Do that. Okay. So if I get more hoverboard, that means I lost every point. Oh yes, I got a token. Up. Okay. So if you do hoverboard, you cannot die. Up. Yes, so close. Okay. Alright. Okay, so we're doing anything and nope. Because the train's going the opposite way. Again. I am really close to get the last token, but I can't find it because you know it's so hard for me to do it, and good thing I did it, so I think I'm going to. Ooh. Okay. Alright. I got more Cheeky's hat. Claim reward. Okay. Yay, I got more points. Okay. Okay, so that's it for the video and I hope you enjoy. So give a thumbs up if you want to see more. And I know we still have more shameless plugs, so please subscribe to my first channel so we can get 300 subscribers real quickly. And I know there are more editor, but I don't know when is it going to come up. And please follow me on Instagram, TikTok. If you see on TikTok that I did everything, and I posted on YouTube, and I did hashtag shorts, and I post TikTok on my YouTube shorts. So we will check you later and peace out. Location on my videos.
Ooh, I love it when you do it like that, and when you're close up, give me the shivers.